Hello, welcome back. My name's Kathy. This is Mesquite Mountain Homestead, where I'm building the famous Pallet Cob cabin. So today, I'm going to go out and paint that board I have to put up here for the porch to run off of. They had, at our dump, when you have paint or you take extra stain or something like that, they put it to the side, and then if people come in and need it, they can take it free. So I always look through it and see if there's anything I need. Well, they had 2 full containers of the water sealant for wood. Isn't that amazing? It was brand new, big 1-gallon cans. So I picked that up, and I'm going to use that to paint that ledger board because it'll be exposed to the weather, for a while. When Mason comes back, he'll help me do the porch. So that's good. But while it's exposed like that, I'd like to have it painted. So that's what I'm working on first thing right now this morning. Well, it's another day. I'm going to get that cobbing done. Just work on whatever I can until it gets too hot out here. I appreciate you guys being here so much. I have so many new subscribers, and I just appreciate you. I appreciate you so much subscribing to my channel. I didn't see that happening when I started this channel, and it's just amazing to me. So anyway, I'm going to get to work. Hope you all have a beautiful day. I mean a beautiful day. You wake up and you get going like you intended to have a day. That's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, here I go. So first of all, I'm going to put another coat of that waterproofer on these. And then I'm going to cob a little more on here, but I need to get those 2x6s up for the porch because I'll want to attach them here and then cob up around them. So first I'll do the waterproofing, then I'm going to cob some more on here. Now that is what we like to see. I'm just getting ready to put in another window. Well, the wind is going crazy. It's getting hot. So I decided I'm gonna call it a day. I've been out there since, well, I started in the garden at 5:30. I had to water, but yeah, that's enough of a day for me. You know, it blew so hard the other day, it blew my pictures off the wall. I haven't put them back up yet. Anyhow, I thank you all so much. I'm just amazed that 500 of you would stop by to see what I'm doing. And you've all been so supportive, and your comments are so kind and constructive and amazing, and I just thank you so much. So I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and I will see you soon. Take good care, you guys.